I love like late night drives or even drives in the early morning, just listening to the birds and stuff. It's really nice. I drive a 2014 Chevy Cruze. I believe it was the fuel injector lines. That was the first issue. They got clogged and I had a gas leak. I was extremely nervous and anxious, but Matt answered the phone and he calmed me down right away and we got it figured out. Just the fact that I'm not extremely experienced with cars and being a new driver and not ever seeing my parents have this much issue with the car, it made me really nervous thinking it was my fault, but Matt explained to me that it's not, it's rarely ever someone's fault when it comes to the fuel injector lines. And it was great that he was very explanatory about what needed to be done and what could be fixed. I mean, my parents have trusted James and Matt for years and years, and being able to come in on my own accord and be welcomed and being taken care of as if I was my mom was very, I can't think of the word, calming to me.